MarketAlpha automatically detects bullish and bearish divergence using the 14 Days Relative Strength Index. RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the strength of recent price movement on the 0 to 100 scale. As a quick reference, readings above 70 often signal overbought conditions, and readings below 30 often signal oversold conditions. But the real value is divergence when price and RSI stop agreeing. A divergence forms when price moves one way and RSI moves the other. That mismatch can be an early clue that momentum is weakening, reversal risk is building, or that pullback is setting up continuation before it's obvious on the chart. Divergence lines can also be used to identify support and resistance areas for the price action on the RSI chart. MarketAlpha detects all 4 divergence types automatically. Regular divergence, such as bullish divergence when price makes a lower low but RSI makes a higher low. Bearish divergence when price makes a higher high but RSI makes a lower high. And also hidden divergences, such as hidden bullish divergence when price makes a higher low but RSI makes a lower low. And finally, hidden bearish divergence when price makes a lower high but RSI makes a higher high. You'll see this in the ticker screener under the RSI divergence column. The value is shown as a number plus a letter. The number is how many days since the divergence was confirmed. The letter shows direction. P means positive divergence, and N means negative divergence. Divergence signals are labeled as confirmed or unconfirmed. Unconfirmed means it's forming but hasn't held long enough to count. Confirmed means it stayed in place through at least one more close, and MarketAlpha tracks it as an active signal. Here's the key rule. If you see one or more, the divergence is confirmed, and the number is days since confirmation. If you see 0, it means divergence is forming right now but is still unconfirmed. Let's take a look at some quick examples. SLB shows 2P, which is confirmed positive divergence from 2 days ago. On the chart, you'll see hidden bullish divergence as price made a higher low and RSI a lower low. Let's take a look at another example. Team shows 0P as positive divergence is still forming and unconfirmed. Price could make a lower low, while RSI a higher low to form positive divergence. If that holds on to the close, the signal will flip from 0 to 1. Teva shows 1N, which is 1 day since a confirmed negative divergence. Price made a higher high, while RSI made a lower high. This is a classic bearish divergence and an early warning signal. Finally, let's take a look at SITC. SITC shows 0N for negative unconfirmed divergence. Here, price could make a lower high, while RSI a higher high. So we have hidden bearish divergence in progress, and it confirms if it holds into the close. Once you understand the RSI divergence column, divergence becomes easy to scan. You can instantly spot fresh signals, either forming today or confirmed in the last few sessions.